Hello everyone and welcome to another video of my first video. Today I'm going to be a firefighter. I'm just going to get my fire truck. Yeah, this is my first video, so yeah, sorry if I do anything I shouldn't really. Yeah, so we're going to get my fire truck and we're going to go see if there's any fire to put out. Yes, there's a fire in Westover. Of course you can leave comments and things about it, and so you can't hear the sirens as well. It's just people play their music, and I'm not. I'll get copyright if the music. Yeah, I don't want that really, because then I won't be able to do videos. Yeah, just gonna head over to the fire and be done. Of course, this game, the update. So when I'm playing it, this is the update for 2018. There's another firefighter. This is the update for 2018. So I'm playing it 2018 now, and this is the new update. So it's quite a nice update. It is worth playing Roblox because of this update. And you can see another firefighter in front of us. Hello, man. Oi! Oh no! What did you do that for? Oh, what's that? Sorry, the sound might not be on for you, I don't know. I think it's more to do with audible, so I can hear it, but no one else can hear. Here we are. We're at the fire. It doesn't look anything different. Oh, out of the way. There's an idiot in the way. And then someone else goes and puts the fire out. Park and jump out. So, yeah, I shouldn't really leave my fire truck this close to the fire, but it's not really my problem. Sort it out. Well, it is, but there's a bit of a fight going on over there, I think. Move it out. So look on the roof. There we are. Just fine. Cool. Yes, I'm a pretty good driver. It's just these trucks are immensely hard to drive. So I might go and get a different. There's so fires at the moment. I don't know what these guys are doing all over my lorry. Not my lorry. Oh, I'm always playing as a trucker. Today I just thought I'd have a bit of change. And this guy, and there's quite a lot of carnage. Over. I think it was because I didn't have it on. I think I've just made a mistake. And I've been blaming other people. Oh. People just leave their cars in the middle of the road. There's no point. Because people just can get really annoyed to go far. And yeah, so a little bit later, not now, I'm going to show you something pretty cool. Don't know how cool it's going to be, but it's basically the speed of the, do you know, the cam car, the old speed used to be 45, I believe, because some people might not be able to play it anymore, of course, because of the new update, because it's very, very laggy on laptops as I tried it, but computers, it seems to work for computers. I'm not sure why though. So, but yeah, so just warning you in that way. I'm just going to park here because it's quite a good place. You can just fire I might head down, I don't know. Start driving. Speed limit. Why a speed limit? This is quite a cool setting. What are you doing, idiot? What? What's happening? Oh, that's why I had to. Oh, okay. Let me skip the video. I'm gonna skip the video a bit to when I'm out of prison, and then we're gonna be a real normal person and just be like, or to be a bit of policeman. A normal person, I think. Yeah, and then yeah. Okay. Hello, I'm back again. Yeah. After that, fucking yeah. Sorry about put in jail and yeah. We're going to get this car here. Right. We might get it. I'm gonna be a policeman for now. Let me just go to police settings on here. Police officer. Yes, we want to be a police officer. I'm only going to do 10-minute video sort of things, so yeah. I'm going to do about 5 minutes of policing. Also, if I will go to fires, because part of my job is to go to fires. And I just see the fire, so I need to head over there now. And this car is amazing fast. It is. Like 400 miles so I can get a good car. I don't know what car that is though. I need to get going. We're gonna take the motorway because that's the quickest route. I can really put up speed. I can do good speeds along there. Oh. Yeah, I can really do some good speeds. Oh, if you're wondering how I just did that, I did F. Press F. If you're playing and you don't know how to do it, press F. It's really helpful. I'll do my next video is actually going to be helping videos how to get started. So I'm going to make a new account, obviously, and how to get started on here. This is just a new account how to get started on games. Most of them. Most games. So it's just a new tutorial thing that is going to be quite good. So yeah, tutorial I suppose is pretty good when you want it. Really does go fast. This car really does go really fast. Yes, it's going down in speed, but in a minute it'll go up in speed because we're going downhill. Oh, that was a bit too fast, I think. Could have taken someone out. You can kill people in this game. It's pretty cool now. It's amazing, this game now. What they've done to add to it. Oh! Straight up the hill. I think it's starting to cut out, but I'm not sure. Okay, let's start, I think. Let me just see if there's any firefighters and just type a little message. Say, fire. There's no firefighters. We have a problem. Okay, we have to be firemen because there's no firefighters. We have to be super speedy, okay? What should we do? Hoses on that one? Is the hose, no. The only one that does hoses. Still the same as last time then before. Okay. Oh, we got a firefighter. Let's do one because we didn't have to get out of the way of the big car and that's good. Yeah, sorry, but I'm going so slow, but it is impossible to steer these things now. Okay, time to get rolling. Should we do it anyway? Kill it. And just tutorial videos are quite good because then you can. I think it's 15 minutes, not really sure. I think the max you can do is 15. So yeah, sorry if it cuts out. I'll do a part 2 and yeah, basically we'll put the fire out and I'll do the guy and everything and yeah. And then I'll take it back to myself. It's gonna be awesome. Oh no. Oh, the speed's not picking up and I haven't got any. Oh no, God. Oh, wait, coming up. The speed coming up. Okay. This is when. This is when the speed really picks up. As soon as we hit that slip road, we're braking. Oh. You know what I mean about turning? They're basically impossible to turn. Oh, I thought that was. Okay, let's go, go, go. Oh, there's a bit of water there. Can you see that crack? It should go over it fine. Say, tie it, don't do. Okay. Oh, this is the first time I ever played this. There was a fuel station that would burn, and now not, but it was pretty upsetting because it used to be a really good fuel station. It used to be really cheap. Oh, that's kind of disappointing, but I don't know where he's gone. It was with me a minute ago. I suppose he's supposed to take another route because oh, Luke's going that way. I'm gonna take another route to see if it's shorter. Thanks for this one for turning up. You okay? Yeah. I suppose it's